I get asked, what's the best platform for small business ads? And sometimes I think that's the wrong question. I think the right question is, what job are we hiring this platform to do? Today, I'm breaking down Nextdoor, Thumbtack, Meta, and Google from my perspective, what each one does best, what to watch out for, and exactly how to stack them for results. Let's start with Hyperlocal, Nextdoor. They reach about 1 in 3 U.S. households with 100 million plus verified neighbors and roughly 46 million active users each week. Nextdoor also says 90% of neighbors are the household decision maker, and 79% say they were influenced by a recommendation on the platform. Translation, neighborhood word of mouth at internet scale. Where it wins, home pros, home services, real estate, local retail, and anything where trust matters. Watch out though, performance hinges on creative quality and neighborhood relevance. Even Nextdoor's own guidance stresses creative and to format things in a way to drive CTR or click-through rate. So don't mail it in. Next, Thumbtack. This is bottom of the funnel, pay per lead. You're not buying impressions, you're buying leads. Prices vary by category and market. Pros commonly report $10 to $100 per lead, with many citing an average of $35 to $60. It's big, 300,000 active pros across 1,100 categories in all 50 states. When it hits home services and trades that want jobs this week and can respond fast. So it works well for that. Watch out though, lead quality and competition vary. You got to track your return on investment, your ROI tightly. This is a marketplace, remember. Now Meta, Facebook and Instagram for demand gen and retargeting. Benchmarks right now, CPM, which is cost per thousand. I've never really understand why they call it CPM, but cost per thousand, around $7 to $15 in many markets. And the CTR, the click-through rate for lead gen, is around 2.59% across all industries in 2025 data sets. Okay. What's great about it is creative testing at scale. So, a different caption or a different photo or a different video, you can test to see which one's landing better. Local awareness obviously is great, and then retargeting and lookalikes. Watch out though, because creative fatigue and signal loss are real. I feel like the Meta platform fluctuates and you need ongoing optimization. Finally, Google. With local service ads, I love those, LSA, many categories see $6 to $30 per lead, and that's in line. Sometimes roofing can get a little bit higher, especially in really competitive markets, but category and market dependent. LSA has tightened up verification, the local service ads, and ties more closely to Google Business Profile to reduce fraud. That policy toughened about a year ago now. When it wins, though, near me and high intent queries where buyers are ready, watch out. If your landing page and tracking are weak, you burn dollars even with high intent. So here's the playbook, and it's simple. If you need leads this week in home services, start Google LSA if you have a business that is one of the categories, and Thumbtack. Then layer a Nextdoor post or ad to build neighborhood proof. If you need trustworthy local awareness, Nextdoor for neighborhood credibility. Add Meta video for reach and retargeting. Remember, those videos should be you, authentic, standing in a neighborhood that you serve or an area that you serve, looking right into your phone. No need for a highly produced video. If you want scalable demand generation, test creatives on Meta for cheap reach, then capture intent on Google when they're ready to buy. Bottom line, there is no single best platform. There's the right channel for the right job at the right time, however. Use Nextdoor to earn neighborhood trust. Use Thumbtack to buy leads when your calendar needs filling. Use Meta to test creative and stay in front of people. And use Google to harvest demand the moment it exists. Hopefully this made you think about something different. If it did, please give me a like and or a subscribe. I'm Max from Max Out Creative. Thank you very much.